Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gail, and in today's video we're creating this eye lifting makeup look, which is really quick and easy as usual. And if you're ready, let's begin. First, I want to even out my skin tone. I'm using Studio Fix Fluid by MAC and just buffing it into the skin. And you don't need a lot because a little goes a long way, just literally half a pump. And just want to brighten up under the eyes. I'm using the Clinique Even Better Concealer. I'm not using any eyeliner under my eyes, so I just want my under eye area nice and bright. And also to cover the dark circles. Brows are really important, and eye lifting makeup includes brows. So make sure you groom them and then fill in any gaps and raise the arch ever so slightly, then finish off with a clear brow gel. And finally set with powder so that you can begin your eyeshadow. I'm going to use this as a transition shade, and with a blending brush I'm going to apply it above my eyelid in the crease and just keep blending upwards. And I'm actually going into the inner eye area but above my eyelid obviously, and I just want to build up the colour using a darker shade on top so it creates more definition and obviously lift. Next I'm using a light shade just to the inner corner of the lid, then dipping back into the darker colour just to create more of a contour, and again just blending away, but don't blend down below the outer corner of your eye because your eye will be dragged down instead of your eye looking lifted. And what we're doing is applying a lighter shade just to the brow bone, which adds incredible lift, and just onto the inner corner of the eyes. This shimmery shade's just going onto the middle of my eyelid to create a pop of light, and then the darker shade on the outer corner, which balances out the eye and brings the look together. Dot a small amount of highlighter just to the inner corner for extra light. To shape my lips with a lip pencil, this is Spice by MAC. For lifting makeup, apply the blush just to the apples of the cheek, so smile and then apply, to create a subtle pop of colour. And here goes my liquid eyeliner. This is by MAC, which is a fantastic brush, and just draws from the outer corner where you want your wing to start straight across to the upper lash line. Fill in the little gaps, don't go too thick on the line, otherwise you'll close your eyelid space. Apply a couple of coats of mascara before I tightline or line the upper waterline with a waterproof pencil. I finish off by applying literally just 3 false eyelashes to the outer corner of my eye. A lip gloss reflects light, therefore it creates lift and the illusion of volume. Guys, everything I used today is listed below, and please like, share, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos and if you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching, take care, bye for now.